Hi everybody, Dave Maturo here with Crystal McGill at the Marshall Way. We're messing around with, we're thinking about women's self-defense tips, and we're messing around with grip. And somebody just coming up to, a guy, big burly guy coming up and grabbing your wrist and trying to pull you, abduct you, lead you somewhere. So, easy thing is in the hand, the weakest part of the hand is actually your thumb. So, if somebody grabs you, Crystal's just going to find the thumb, move against it. Even if I grab really hard, right? Go against the thumb. If I change the way I grab from the outside, right? This is what we call, opposite side grab, koso-dori. She's just going to find the thumb, right? And walk around so everybody can see it. So do it again. Okay. Now, another way, here's the thumb. She could actually just wash over it. Again, if I grab really hard, it just comes right out. Even two hands. Again, I'm grabbing, trying to lead her somewhere. She's just going to find the two thumbs. Right? And now if the person's really strong, a nice technique would be to counter grab, two hands. And I can't hold on. Another quick grab somebody might do, they might grab your shoulder, your lapel, your elbow, right? They grab, she's going to glide, and push out, and take down. So all these things require that you practice, so come on down to the Marshall Way Dojo. MarshallWayDojo.com.
Thank you.